In this video, we are going to discuss Affiliate Managers 101. So, you've done your research, you look for a network, you've actually signed up. I want to congratulate you from taking action this far and signing up for your first affiliate networks. And you've done your research. So, when you start to join affiliate networks, you'll actually be connected with an affiliate manager. How did your affiliate manager get paid? Well, your affiliate manager gets paid via how many commissions that her affiliates bring in. So if Anthony Alfonso brings her $10,000 a month in sales, she gets a percentage of those sales as my affiliate manager. So it works well with your affiliate manager and yourself working together for a common goal in the end. So now keep in mind, these are questions that you need to be asking your affiliate manager. And let's just say we have the product chosen that we're going to promote. We're going to promote a real estate offer. But for example, the network we choose has 5 real estate offers. I want you guys to be connecting with your affiliate managers, asking her these specific questions. Question number 1, and we're going to be jumping into the screen too, so no worries. So the first question is with your affiliate manager, when you find a product that you want to promote, ask her, hey, how is this offer converting overall for the network? What is the conversion rate? And what I mean by conversion rate, if 100 people come to this page, how many people out of that 100 sign up? If one person signs up, that's a 1% conversion rate. So we're looking for an offer that has a high conversion rate. EPC is very important, earnings per click. Now, as you join into a lot of networks, on the right side of the screen, they have EPC of the overall network and the earnings per click. You may see on the overall network an offer may say 20 cents and $1, but I can get EPCs between $4 to $5. Every traffic source is actually going to work a little bit different. But I want you to be communicating with your affiliate managers. Now, these are things you should be looking out for when you have an affiliate manager. You never want to tell an affiliate manager what your ad budget is, what your landing page is, and your entire campaign. Keep your entire campaign private. Your affiliate manager is on a need-to-know basis. Now, some offers that you may want to promote, they may require you to give some information to actually promote that offer. Now, I want you to keep this in mind. Affiliate networks, they have their own internal buying teams. So what does that mean? So that means if you're in Max Bounty has their own team where they test all the offers. And Max Bounty, if they know that you're making $10,000 a day, Max Bounty will ask you, what offer are you using? How are you doing this? What's your ad copy? That your affiliate manager may start asking you those questions. Why would that benefit them? Well, what happens is that Max Bounty will take their internal media buying team and they'll go duplicate your campaign to see if they can see the same results and make money also. So keep your campaigns private. Now, I'll give you an example of what happened with me. I was promoting a car loan offer, and with this car loan product that I actually promoted, they wanted to see my ad copy. So I let them know my ad copy. Then what happened then is they sent my ad copy directly to the advertiser. Then the advertiser approved my ad copy and I was able to use that. Now what I did after they approved it, I made variations of it and I did just fine with that. So I want you to know these are key things you have to remember when communicating with your affiliate manager. You want to be asking them what are the best converting offers in the niche that you want to go and promote in. So something to consider when you're communicating with your affiliate managers is some of them may not respond back. And what happens is that they have so many affiliates working for them and making money is that if you're an affiliate doing $20 a day and there's another affiliate doing $1,000 a day, your messages may not be answered yet until you get to that certain volume. So what you can do if an affiliate manager is not responding to you and you're making money in the network and you're not pestering them, what you can do is you can actually contact support of the affiliate network and actually ask for a new affiliate manager. Now the only way that would be likely to do is if your affiliate manager is completely ignoring you and you're not getting any response. There's several affiliate networks where I've joined and that's actually happened to me. I've reached out to support and sent them an email and saying, hey, I haven't heard back from my affiliate manager. And then 9 times out of 10, once you do that, they'll shoot your affiliate manager a message and then your affiliate manager will start responding to you. So let's dive right into the screen and go over this checklist. So these are some questions that you should be asking. My affiliate manager in Grab Ads Media, his name is Ben. So for example, I'll ask him, what are the top 3 converting offers for auto insurance? Now, if we go to auto insurance, I'm using that as an example. We go to offers, and then we can go to verticals, and we see auto insurance. There's only one auto insurance offer, but keep in mind, when you start to promote these offers, every network has private offers that they do not put on the platform. So for example, Web2Cars, they may actually have two more auto loan offers that I do not know about or no one else in the network does. But once I start to promote Web2Cars, I can message Ben and say, hey Ben, are there any private offers for the auto loan vertical? And if you're sending high quality traffic to the offer that they have onto the network, such as Web2Cars, they may actually open up a couple more private offers that you can actually promote. So on that note, we're using social traffic. That is Facebook ads. So if you're still unsure about what offer that you want to get into, shoot your affiliate manager a message and say, hey Ben, what is the top converting offers with social traffic? He'll say, hey Anthony, the top converting offer right now in the network for social traffic is Web2Cars as example. So that's something good to know. I actually love to message my affiliate manager once a week and just check in and say what's the hottest converting offer, what social traffic, search traffic. Now, another question you want to know is what is the requirement to get paid weekly? So your goal with this is to make profit, but also to start getting paid weekly. Although AFF paying will give us a general idea, it's always good to check in with your affiliate manager just so you guys are on the same page on how long it takes to get paid. Now, speaking on getting paid, you'll typically get paid with either PayPal, direct deposit, or Pioneer. I like to start off with PayPal with networks that I'm new with, but then I like to transfer over to direct deposit into my bank account. Now, lastly, once you start to generate $500 a day in total sales, you want to start at the end of the week, every 4 or 5 days, just shoot the affiliate manager a message and say, hey, was there any missed tracks on the offer? So what is a missed track? Essentially what happens is if you make 10 sales and only 9 sales show up, you have a missed track. But you as an affiliate, we have our tracking set up, so sometimes it will get missed. Sometimes these offers, when you're promoting these offers, you may be sending a ton of volume, making a ton of affiliate sales. Some of these offers will not register a sale, but your affiliate manager, they can log in and check the advertiser and your affiliate sales to see if there's any missing sales that you were not counted for. Now make sure once you start to get to anywhere between $250 to $500 per day, message your affiliate manager at the end of the week and say, hey, was there any missed tracks? It's always better to be safe than sorry. I'll give you an example. Currently, I just messaged my affiliate manager. My average EPC is typically $3.50 to $5. And then for 24 hours, my EPC dropped for that offer down to 37 cents, 87 cents. So that let me know that one, something was wrong with the offer that I was promoting. And then I let her know like, hey, check for missed tracks. I know I'm missing sales. My average EPC is $3.50 to $5. And your affiliate manager and you will start to develop a closer relationship and they track you as an affiliate. If you're a shady affiliate, the affiliate managers, they know, they talk about you. They'll let each other know to keep an eye on Anthony because we're tracking his traffic and we're not sure the traffic quality that he's sending us. So your affiliate managers, they keep tabs on you once you start to increase your volume. But yeah, my affiliate manager, what happened with the missed tracks? It took about 24 hours to get it all figured out. I ended up missing about $800 in sales that I was actually accredited for on my account. So once you start to earn $250 to $500 per day, make sure at the end of the week to be on top of your affiliate manager. It's always better to check with them. Congrats on making it to the end of Module 1. I'll see you in Module 2.